So today I'll be showing you how to share Instagram comments to your own Instagram story. So you might be scrolling on Instagram and see a post like this one, for instance, and then you're looking through the comments of that particular post and you find a comment that you like and you'd like to share with your followers. So let's say this one. Okay, so what you want to do is long press on that comment and then you should see the option to add to story. So tap on that and that's going to create an Instagram story with that particular post and with that particular comment highlighted. So let's just wait for it to do its thing. So once it's propagated the Instagram story like that, you can see our comment is right here. So you can actually resize the comment, you can change the angle, you can place it exactly where you want it to appear on the post like that. And then you can go ahead and customize your Instagram story with some more text, some stickers or whatever. But your comment, you can see it's right there. Okay, so that's probably the comment you found most entertaining and you wanted to share that comment which is related to the post you're seeing on your Instagram story. So now you can go ahead and publish that Instagram story. Simple as that. So when other people come to see your Instagram stories, they're going to see that particular post that you shared and that comment you wanted them to see. So let's have a look. Oh, it's still posting, so let's just give it a moment. There you go. So that's what that's gonna look like. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.